Let's ask and see if we can repair it.
We're gonna try to fix it.
We're trying to help out. There's a lot of people outside waiting. We do mechanical work here. So the bus broke down. Oh, and the driver is inside, I think. Oh, hello. You guys have somebody coming out to fix it, or
whenever they come?
Whenever they come?
Yeah.
Okay, so because we have a shop here. You want me to see if it's something simple, or you guys want to?
Can't mess with it, bro.
We can't touch it, huh?
You can't touch it.
Okay. All right. Cool. We tried. They said no.
They said we can't touch it, and the guy that's gonna fix it is gonna be here in 14 hours.
Yeah. 14 hours?
So we tried. That we're not allowed to touch the bus.
Careful.
And we almost lost Joey.
Yeah, don't get hit by a car.
Look, I'm gonna do your way, but after this, don't say, oh, you did it like that.
Yeah, how do you want to do it?
No, I do whatever you want. It's your job, it's your job. Go ahead.
Mi oficio es ser jardinero. Ojalá un día me lo encuentre y sepa quién es su padre.
Estoy cantando, no mames. De música del terruño, no chingues. No les gusta. A estos vatos no les gusta cómo canto, man. Si me puedo cantar una bachata, ahí sí, ¿verdad? Ahí está. Te digo, man. ¡Ah!
Beautiful blue Urus right here. Pretty much a stock car. It's already a nice optioned out car. My buddy from Vegas sent over this car, wanted to do a forged carbon fiber body kit, sort of like mine, but without the wide body. So we got him the whole forged carbon hood. We painted it to that beautiful blue color, installed that. He's got the front lip, he's got the carbon arches, he's got the diffuser, the two wings in the back, and he's got the interior. So all forged carbon fiber. This is pretty much like an OEM Plus look, stock wheels. It has not been lowered, no spacers, none of that. Other than that, it's bone stock. It's got a really beautiful white and black interior. So blue on white and black, really, really awesome spec. Super happy with it because it's super clean, not over the top. It could look like it came from Lamborghini this way. This is probably one of my favorite colors that the Urus comes in. It's gonna go back to Vegas now. Forged carbon fiber everywhere. These cars, you could either get the carbon fiber option or it comes all silver, which I don't think looks sporty enough. So with this forged carbon fiber replacing all that silver, it really looks unique. When the sun hits it, it looks really cool. It's almost like an art piece inside your car. You know, people call it like marbleized carbon, but forged carbon's really cool stuff. As you know, a lot of the newer Lamborghinis come with it factory. So there you have it, really, really clean Urus.
What are you doing here?
I want to fade. I really want to fade.
Bro, just plastic up your hair.
Yeah, bust the Sarkis.
Yeah.
No,
And then you can post it on TikTok like a child that thing is the video guy right there.
No, but you know what's really interesting to me? I really want to know
What?
is if Mikey's ever had like a customer like me.
He can cut your hair, but it's
He
gonna
has
be
a special service he does too. He takes your back hair and he puts it on top of your
That's disgusting.
No. You know the price we.
I'm not taking my back hair, putting it on
Moses.
top of my head.
Moses, you know the price we pay, which is
It's
a lot of
probably
money. He
expensive.
charges, rips
Hey,
us
first
off.
of all, shut up.
So-
Why don't you use your little mobile sprinter van guy? Why are you using
He went to jail.
Oh, yeah, he
went
got
to
locked
jail.
up, bro. He can cut your hair. It's 50% off though, because you only have half of it.
Okay, I think you should just shave your head, Moses.
Yeah, I think it's time, man. Can we shave it, Moses?
Well, I've
Wait, you promised the fans that after, what was it, 100,000 subscribers, you were going to shave your head? What was it, 200,000?
$1 million.
Million.
Yeah, million will do it.
Oh, million? Okay, million, I'm going to
Well,
do
you
it.
don't understand how important this hair. I still love my hair. Just
No,
so you know,
I
really
like
don't
your hair
care who
too.
says
I
what.
like your hair too. You're a good person overall, but that has to go.
Please.
I would pay a
That's
lot
my
of
hair.
money to see you come out of the shower. Because of his hair, you know, it'll be like, you know, you look like Kane from WWE. Vic, how much you think it'll be to do a hair transplant for him? Or like 20 grand, right? Let's just say
15 grand.
15,000, we get you full set of hair. Everybody donate to Moses. You got it.
Moses is GoFundMe hair. First of all, he has more money than us.
No, I
Actually,
don't.
that's true. That's true. But Sarkis might spend money on cars, but you buy houses, bro. So
Moses has many properties.
many properties.
Bro, you're paying $500 for a haircut. Who's richer?
I'm not paying $500. He charges us only. How much is it each cut? Here's a plug for you. 200 a cut?
Yeah.
All right, stop cutting my hair. Stop. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Best barber, bro.
That's nice. It looks good. You have a lot of hair, bro. I wish I had that half of that. I would be happy. At least half.
I wish I had half of your properties.
Not. I don't.
Good job, Moses. You're putting your money in the right places. It's not like Sarkis. He gives it all to Pacific BMW. All he has is exit competition. Why after payroll he doesn't come the next day? Because he got money and he can go talk to Russian girls.
This is a nice way to fill up gas, no? At least it's not like the other cars.
Yeah, on the side.
Yeah, the gas falls on. That's pretty cool. Alright, so this Bentley, you guys know, ran out of gas. Santos went to the gas station, got some gas. Everything's finished now, so we're gonna go on a test drive as soon as Santos is done. Make sure we're good. It was starving for fuel. We just started to take the gas. It's such a monster. Even $20 does nothing for this car. This thing takes at least like $100 in it. At least, minimum.
You test drive, can you give me ice cream?
I can't get ice cream, bro. Vic's gonna get pissed. You know, right now, whatever we're doing, he's 100% looking at us from his computer office. Exactly what you're doing, he's looking right now.
Okay, can you get me ice cream?
What if we get in trouble? Can I say you told me to get it or no?
No, you cannot snitch on me.
I can't snitch on you, so if we get in trouble, I'm gonna get in trouble. Yeah, Sarkis is something else. So basically, I'm gonna get in trouble for absolutely no reason, like always. I'm always the one to blame when something happens.
This car is not tuned, correct?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, so if it's not tuned, let's just race.
Well, people used to race 30 years ago. Nobody races anymore.
Bro, people, they race
They
every
don't.
night. They race for money.
Like,
If you go to Sunland, there's people that race for like 100,000, 50,000.
it's 13-year-olds who do that now.
Bro, 13 years old cannot have a driver license. No, you get permit after 15 and a half. It shows you don't have a driver license.
Santos, put 40.
You have a driver's license.
38 pounds all around. All right, so this Urus is a wrap. You guys can see we got the starlights installed on this car. It actually looks pretty good. I don't know, for some reason or another, it looks really good, always with like red interior. Just makes it look more classy. I can't wait for my Camry to have starlights. I'm really gonna enjoy it.
So you want to post what?
Yeah.
A story or a...
No, I pick. Yeah, let's do story.
You want to do story? So up here on the left?
No, this one let's just post it, just like a simple post. No
Like
story.
a regular post,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so what caption do you want to put?
Okay. You want to write it?
Yeah, okay, what do you want me to say?
2 Uruses combined together.
Okay, I'm gonna spell it like you. So,
Okay.
so 2 Uruses?
Yeah.
Oh, phone's for you.
Okay.
Here, I'll post it. So two Uruses. So TOO. That's how you supposed to.
No, 2 TWO. Not worth a BMW.
Not worth.
How you spell worth?
Not worth BMW.
Yeah.
That's how you want it. 2 Urus combined together. Not worth it BMW.
No, not. Hold on.
Go get the phone. There's a phone ringing. I'm trying to help him post the picture, but I got him, man. I got him. He has a low tire.
Yeah.
Maybe he wants to.
I can check it, but it's gonna have to be tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow morning.
I don't have any air in there. Can we at least fill it up with air?
We have room in the back.
I don't even have room in the back. If you
Are
can.
you serious? You're gonna send me out with no air?
No, I'll do it for you, but you gotta be patient. Okay, man.
Okay. Do that. It'd be a lifesaver.
It's like $50 though.
No problem.
No, I'm just playing. I'm just joking.
Money is no object.
Give us a Yelp review, a nice Yelp review.
Of course.
Then we can
RDB,
put there.
right?
Yeah, RDB LA 7318 West
You
Sunset.
guys are trying to go home. I understand.
We film everything. We do our work, and
Nice enough cars here, that's for sure.
it's nice. This one.
Yeah, this is nice.
What do you like about it?
What is this, a Beamer?
Yeah, it's a BMW.
Well, I know the new ones look like Mustangs. You
Sure,
know,
yeah.
they're looking more like
So
Mustangs.
you don't like
all the time.
BMWs, right?
No.
No.
But I like.
What a coincidence, I guess. Yeah, but what do you like about this car? The color? Or?
Oh, the styling.
Yeah,
it's
it's
all about
nice.
styling.
Yeah, because we did it. That's why. It was
Ah.
ugly before, but we
Okay.
made it pretty.
Nice. And that one started pretty. It's gonna stay pretty.
Yeah, that's a classic.
That stays pretty.
But anyways, we'll get your car right out, okay?
Right on. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
So I had the best 3 comments
So someone commented, X6 more sexy than a Urus, Sarkis much sexy than Vic, and the other one is gonna be.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm showing. I'm sexier than you.
You're supposed to be working, not on Instagram.
X6 more sexy than Urus, and Sarkis much more sexy than Vic.
Okay, that guy's Instagram name is Mark Zook. You think I care what he says? It's a fake account messaging and he's getting happy. You know what? I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Why?
You'll see. So you were not working, and all you've been talking about the last couple of days after that video is Urus killer, Urus killer. So now you're behind the actual killer, and we have the cake, the X6M killer cake, and now we're gonna feed you this cake.
But still, you know it's faster. Okay, so if I eat it, I mean it means I admit it or no?
Jesus.
Okay, but hold on. But I'm not admitted.
Yeah. There you go. You just ate an X6M killer cake.
It's not good.
It doesn't feel good losing. The only RDB wheels you're gonna get.
Let me try it.
I don't know if that's edible.
Is that? Yeah, it is.
Hold it for a picture.
You can't. It's just You got it?
Yes,
Okay, guys.
There's no talking. You should be sad.
So I taste the Urus cake. It's the same thing as Urus last Tour BMW.
What?
Same thing. Doesn't have a taste at all. The only thing tastes as good is the wheels. You're dead. Oh.
Hey, nothing happened to you, by the way. It just smashed and there's nothing on your head.
There's nothing.